Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Ping and Play, where we simplify network concepts. Have you ever wondered how two devices in completely different network can communicate? See here in the VLAN 10 there will be two devices. In the VLAN 20 there will be two devices which are in the different network without proper configuration between. Without proper configuration, we can't achieve the communication between this PC to this PC, this PC to this PC, and this PC. Correct? We'll do inter-VLAN routing, and I'll show you how the configuration will be. Let's get into it. So before that, it's a real-time topology. Okay, we'll assign the interfaces first for this PC, this PC, this PC, and this PC. Okay, desktop 10 10.0.0.10 10.0.0.11 we'll create the VLAN. Config T VLAN 10. Name sales team. Exit. Do show VLAN brief. Okay. Here VLAN 10 is created in the switch 0. And then interface range FA 0/1 to 3 switch port mode access switch port access VLAN 10. We'll check do show VLAN brief. See FA 0/1 FA 0/2 FA 0/3 are assigned to VLAN 10 group. Okay, next switch 1 CLI enable config T VLAN 20 switch name IT team. Do show VLAN. See here, created the VLAN. Exit. Interface range FA 0/1 to 3. switch port mode access switch port access VLAN 20. Clear? Do show VLAN brief. FA0/1, FA0/2 are in the 20 group. FA0/3 is missing, right? Okay. Interface FA0/3 switch port mode access switch port access VLAN 10. Oh, sorry, VLAN 20. Exit. Do show VLAN brief. See, FA0/1, FA0/2, FA0/3 are in the 20 group. We'll get into router CLI. Say no. Enable config T interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0/0 no shutdown IP address 10.0.0.1 to 55.200.0.0. Okay, next interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0/1 no shut IP address 20.0.0.1 to 55 dot subnet mask. Exit. Do show IP interface brief. See here, for gigabit Ethernet 0/0/0 assign the IP address 10.0.0.1. For gigabit 0/0/1 I have assigned the 20.0.0.1. Okay, now we'll do check whether PC0 is communicate with this VLAN member group. We'll check. Command prompt ping 20.0.0.10. It's not pinging. Why? Because here if this VC want to communicate with this PC, it will generate the ICMP ARC will generate. Correct? In this case, this is the gateway for this communication. This is the VLAN 20 gateway. We'll give the gateway as well in the basis. Ten dot 0.0.1 10.0.0.1 20.0.0.1 20.0.0.1. Okay, given the gateway, see here 10.0.0.1 is the gateway for VLAN, 10.20.0.0.1 is the gateway for VLAN 20. Now we'll see, are we able to ping to PC0 to PC2. First we'll ping the gateway 10.0.0.1. See, gateway is pinging, right? Next, ping 20.0.0.1. The VLAN 20 gateway is pinging. Next, PC2. See here, PC2 IP address is 20.0.0.10. We'll try to ping 20.0.0.10. It's pinging, right? See, if you want to ping 20.0.0.11 is the IP for PC second PC3 will ping. In this time of ARP will generate. In this timeout, ARP will generate to map the IP to MAC address. Okay. Then we'll ping PC2 from PC0. Ping 10.0.0.10. Pinging. Next, 11. ARP will generate. It's pinging. So this is how we can achieve the communication between VLAN 10 and VLAN 20 devices if they are in the different networks. So that's all about the configuration of this topology. That's it for today video. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Ping and Play. Comment below if you have any questions, or let me know that if topics you would like me to cover next.